I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Images and typing clear keywords that describe what you need. This narrows results faster. If you want exact wording, put the phrase in quotes. And if you already have an image, click the camera icon to search by image. This finds matches and similar visuals. Once done, glance at the top filters to prepare for the next step. These initial choices shape the relevance and save time during refinement. Now refine results using tools. Choose exact size, transparent color, or type like clip art to target formats you need. You can also add modifiers such as cite, example, com to restrict domains, file type, PNG for formats, or a minus sign to exclude terms. These reduce noise and increase precision. Once you spot promising images, click to preview and use Visit to verify the original source and licensing, because context matters for accurate use. Finish by downloading or copying the image, but make sure to check the license and attribution requirements before reuse. Proper sourcing avoids legal issues. If you get irrelevant results, try reverse image search, broaden or narrow keywords, or swap color and size filters to change the result set. If images won't load or filters misbehave, clear your browser cache or open an incognito window and try again. That often fixes display and caching problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.